Hello everyone, and welcome to On Frame channel, the place where we uncover how our daily tools are made. The production process of the Škoda Karoq is a complex and highly engineered procedure involving cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, robotics, and human craftsmanship. This process takes place mainly at Škoda's Karoq plant in the Czech Republic, one of the company's key production facilities. Below is an overview of the key stages in the production process of the Škoda Karoq. Design and engineering. Before production begins, the Karoq undergoes extensive design and engineering phases. Engineers and designers use advanced computer-aided design (CAD software to create detailed blueprints and prototypes. This stage involves rigorous testing, including wind tunnel assessments, crash simulations, and safety features development. Materials and components are chosen to ensure structural integrity, safety, and aerodynamics. 2. Raw material sourcing and stamping. Škoda sources high-quality raw materials from trusted suppliers to maintain the integrity of the Karoq's body structure. The primary material used is high-strength steel, along with aluminum in some parts to reduce weight. The first major stage in the physical production is stamping. Large steel coils are fed into stamping presses, which apply massive pressure to cut and shape the steel into body panels, such as the hood, doors, roof, and side panels. These presses are highly automated, and precision is critical to ensure each component fits together seamlessly later in the process. 3. Body shop. In the body shop, the various stamped parts are welded together to form the skeleton of the Škoda Karoq. Robots perform much of the welding, which ensures precision and strength, while humans oversee quality control. The body shop is one of the most automated sections of the plant, with robots handling over 80% of the work. The welded body, known as the body in white, is checked for dimensional accuracy using advanced measurement systems to ensure it meets exact specifications. 4. Paint shop. After the body in white stage, the Karoq moves to the paint shop, where it undergoes a multi-stage process to ensure both aesthetics and corrosion resistance. This process begins with a dip in anti-corrosion primers, followed by several layers of paint, and ends with a clear coat for protection and shine. Robots handle the painting process to ensure a smooth and even finish. Strict environmental standards are observed to reduce emissions, and modern recycling techniques are employed to minimize waste. 5. Assembly line. The assembly process is where the vehicle really starts to take shape. This stage is divided into several sections, each focusing on different parts of the vehicle. Powertrain installation. The engine, transmission, and other drivetrain components are installed onto the vehicle's chassis. Interior assembly. The interior components, such as seats, dashboards, and electronic systems, are fitted. Workers install the infotainment system, air conditioning, steering wheel, and other interior controls. This process requires both technical expertise and manual dexterity. Workers perform tests on the electronics, including wiring harnesses, sensors, and cameras, to ensure everything functions as intended. Suspension and wheels. The suspension, axles, and wheel assemblies are added next. Robots play a significant role here, ensuring that torque settings and alignment are perfect. 6. Quality control and testing. Before any Škoda Karoq leaves the factory, it undergoes an intensive series of quality checks. Every aspect of the vehicle, from its paint finish to the electronics, is examined. Some of the key quality control steps include visual inspection. Technicians carefully inspect the bodywork, ensuring there are no defects in the paint or the assembly. Dimensional checks. Laser measurement systems verify that every dimension of the vehicle meets exact specifications. Dynamic testing. Each car is subjected to rolling road tests, where it undergoes simulations of real-world driving conditions to check for noise, vibration, handling, and overall performance. 7. Final assembly and pre-delivery inspection, PDI. Once all components are assembled and initial testing is complete, the vehicle undergoes a final assembly check. This includes the installation of any remaining components, like badges or trim pieces, as well as a final interior cleaning and quality check. The pre-delivery inspection, PDI, ensures the vehicle is in perfect condition for the customer. Sustainability initiatives. Škoda also focuses on sustainable production methods, reducing CO2 emissions and waste in the process. The Kvasini plant uses renewable energy, and a closed-loop water recycling system minimizes water consumption. Conclusion: the Škoda Karoq is a product of meticulous engineering and advanced manufacturing techniques. From the initial design phases to the final quality checks, each step in the production process is crafted to ensure that the vehicle meets high standards of safety, reliability, and performance. Advanced robotics, human craftsmanship, and sustainable practices combine to create a sophisticated and modern SUV that continues to be a strong competitor in the compact SUV market. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.